This video will show you how to replace the fog lamp assemblies on a GMC Sierra 2500. You'll have two of these, one along each side of your front bumper, and the process will be the same. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the fog lamp assembly, we have to make our way safely under the front of the vehicle. Now we're under the front of the vehicle. Along the rearward side of the front bumper is where we can see our fog lamp assembly. We have a wiring harness leading to it, so we're going to disconnect that first. It has a locking tab up along the top. I'm going to squeeze it in and we'll pull this out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion. This looks good. We can set the wiring aside. Now that we have that disconnected, we're focusing on our three mounting tabs here. For each of these, you're going to find that they have small squeezable tabs. To easily squeeze these in, I'm going to be using a 10mm socket. You should be able to slide it right over each one of these studs. That's going to squeeze in on the locking tabs, and we'll have to gently press outward. Of course, as we continue on, it'll only go so far until we get to the last one, in which case it's going to come out through the front of the front bumper. Just turning that, lightly pressing, I can hear the clips coming out. This is exactly what we're looking for. Those two. Last one. Let's make sure this does not fall out and potentially hurt us. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. We can see our three mounting ports. For this, I'm just going to wipe it down using a rag. We essentially want to make sure nothing's damaged or weak in any way. This looks good. And now we can install our brand new fog lamp assembly. Of course, we want to make sure we have the proper one for the side of the vehicle we're working on. The box is marked. One quick note, you want to have a look along the back. You're going to find that you do have an alignment tab here. This is how we'll align our fog lamp once we have it installed. With that said, let's start sliding this in place. We have our three locking tabs. Those need to fit into their corresponding ports on that bumper. Can be fairly difficult to see in this area. We're lining it up and then we'll press it in. Now at this point we'll just double check to make sure it's properly secured in place with all three of the locking tabs. Now that we have that pressed in, we're on the inboard side. Let's connect our electrical connector. The locking tab's up along the top. Press it in, listen for a click. We'll make sure that's secured in place. While we're back here, you can see where the adjustment point is. Let's make our way out from under the vehicle. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our fog lamp assembly on one side of the vehicle. After you finish that, go over to the other side of the vehicle and repeat this exact same process. Once you've finished all of it, make sure you test the functionality and align them to your preferences. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.